Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are a lover of natural skincare and you enjoy making your own beauty product at home, then you are definitely going to love today's recipe. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made a beautiful herbal soap using neem powder. I also used turmeric powder and oat powder. These three ingredients are popular in skincare because neem is traditionally used for cleansing and turmeric is known for its antioxidant properties, while oats are loved for its gentle and soothing feel on the skin. If this is your first time coming to this page, please do well by following me and don't forget to share and like this video. So let's get started and see how this simple herbal soap was produced. So over here is my water I'll be using for this production, and my water is 280 grams. The next ingredient is my caustic soda, and it is 149 grams. You can see how it looks like. Actually, it looks white in color. So I'll be pouring this or the caustic into my water. So watch and see how I'm going to do this. It's very simple. When working with caustic soda, make sure you put on hand gloves to protect your hands, and make sure you wear an eye goggle to protect your eye, because caustic is actually very corrosive. So to be on the safe side, put on protective gears. And also when you dissolve this in water, it becomes very hot. So it is normal for caustic to become very hot. When it becomes hot like this, you have to wait for the temperature to cool down before you use it to make your soap. So after dissolving my caustic in water, I will keep it aside for it to properly cool down. Now over here are the oils we'll be using for this production. Here is my sunflower oil. My sunflower oil is 550 grams. The next oil I'll be showing you is called the palm kernel oil, and I'm making use of 450 grams. For the sunflower oil, if you don't have sunflower oil, you can use olive oil, you can use king's oil, you can use power oil, or any other soft vegetable oil you know. Then for the palm kernel oil, you can use coconut oil in place of palm kernel oil if you don't have palm kernel oil in your area or city where you stay. Now I'll be mixing both oils together. You can see how I'm doing this. I'll mix both oils together. After that, I will start putting in my herbs into the oil. First, I will start by adding my neem powder into the oil. I'm making use of 15 grams of neem powder for this production. The next herb is my turmeric powder. I'm also making use of 15 grams of turmeric powder. Then the next is going to be my oat powder. I'm making use of 15 grams also. So I'll mix all the powders directly into the oil. So you can see how I'm doing this. It's actually very easy. This process is not hard. You can also try this at home. After mixing, I'm going to filter the oil so that the particles from the herbs will not be inside my oil. I don't want my soap to feel rough. If I should use the oil like that with those particles, my soap is going to have a rough feel. I don't want my soap to feel rough. I want my soap to feel gentle on the skin. So I filtered it. If you have any filter, be it a cloth, a net filter, anything that can hold these particles, use it and filter it at this point. You can see this process, this method is actually very easy. I try to make soap making look simple and easy for those of you watching, so that you can practice it at home. Now I want to start my production process. I will start by pouring in my caustic into that oil. That caustic soda I dissolved at the beginning of the video, I will start by pouring it into my oil. At this point, you have to be very fast because this mixture does not waste time. Most time, it does not waste time to thicken up. So I've poured my fragrance also, and I'm mixing very fast. Don't waste time at this point because this mixture most times does not waste time to thicken up. So I will start pouring this into my mold. You can see soap making is not actually hard, it's easy. If you want to learn more on how to make soap, if you want to know how to derive recipes, how to take measurements, do well by joining my online class. I have a very wonderful and a very beautiful online class that goes on WhatsApp. If you want to join this class, chat me on any of these phone numbers here. Just chat me on WhatsApp to be added directly to our training group. There you learn how to make stuff like the laundry bar soap, the body cream, the herbal soap, the powder detergent, the liquid soap, the perfume, the air freshener, the bleach, the disinfectants like Dettol and the rest, and a lot, the hair cream, the Vaseline, hair shampoo, hair conditioner. There's a lot you learn in my online class. Do well by reaching me on any of these phone numbers to join our class to learn how to make soap and other cosmetics like a pro. So after pouring this into the mold, I'm going to keep it for 24 hours. And also, if you will not have time to join the class, you can do well by purchasing my ebook. I have a very wonderful and a very illustrative ebook I sell. So if you will not have time to join the class, you can purchase the ebook and learn how to produce this at the comfort of your home. So this is the ebook. It has how to make soap is inside, how to make body cream is inside, liquid soap, powder detergent, Vaseline, hair cream, hair shampoo, hair conditioner, and a lot. The ebook has over 79 productions inside with recipes and step-by-step formulations. And my ebook also has addresses on where they sell chemicals in different parts of Nigeria. So if you don't have time, you can purchase the ebook. So after 24 hours, this is the soap. It is now ready to be taken out of the mold. So this is the following day. I will be taking my soap out of my mold. So you can see this process is not actually hard. It's a very simple process. I'll be taking my soap one after the other from the mold. So you can see soap making is not hard. It's easy. Once I'm done taking it out of the mold, I'm going to keep it aside for it to properly cure. When you make soap, you have to allow the soap to cure. If you want to know more about soap making, do well by joining my online class. So this is just how I make my herbal soap using neem powder, turmeric powder, and oats powder. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let them learn how to produce skincare at home. These wonderful skincare products, let them learn how to produce them at home. Don't forget to follow or subscribe for more DIY soap making and beauty recipes. And if you want me to make another herbal soap recipe, let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep taking care of your skin. And lastly, if you are a soap maker and you need soap making equipment to up your soap making business, you need equipment. We have equipment for sale. We produce soap making equipment and we deliver nationwide. In the next screen of this video, I'll be showing you guys the pictures of our equipment and you're going to love them. Don't forget, we produce this equipment and we deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can waybill our equipment down to your location. You can see them here. We have soap molds, we have soap groove makers, we have soap stamps, we have soap cutters, soap trimmers, and the rest of the other kind of equipment. They are very easy to use and very affordable. So if you are a soap maker and you need soap making equipment, do well by chatting me on this phone number on WhatsApp to purchase our equipment. Don't forget, we deliver nationwide and we are not scammers. We are legit business people. So don't be scared of buying equipment from us. And also don't forget, we deliver nationwide and they are very, very affordable. Thank you for watching this my wonderful video. Please don't forget to share, don't forget to follow me, and don't forget to like, don't forget to join the online class, and don't forget to purchase our ebook. And also don't forget to buy equipment from us. Goodbye and have a lovely day, and see you all on my next video that will be coming up during the week.